Hello friends, welcome to karmatech, and in today's video we are going to learn how to change an icon for a folder. So let's say we have a folder on screen. Let's call it sample folder. Okay, and this is the icon of this folder. If you want to change it to some other color or something, then what you need to do is, first of all, you need to download some image which you want to change it to. So let's say I go to my browser and say folder icon, and I go to images and download some image. So for example, let's say I like this image. Okay, and so what I do is I say copy image. See this, I'm just right clicking on this image and selecting copy image. What this will do is it will copy this image into your clipboard. Okay, now this is the first step which we need to do. Now we go back to this folder and right click on this folder and click on get info. Okay, so this is an information page which tells the name and what is there inside it, what is the size and everything, all this information, read write permission and everything. And on the top left corner you see this image. You click on this image and then you will see this light blue border around it. See, again, without the border, I click somewhere else. Let's say I click here and you see that there is no border on it. Now if I click on it again, then you see this border. So this border should be there, means this image is selected. Now what you do is you do paste here. So what will happen with this paste? The image from your clipboard will be pasted here. So which image is there in our clipboard? We have copied this image to our clipboard, and when we right click on this, so when we click on this and say paste, this will paste that image to this location. So now you can see the image here, and this is the preview, and that's it. You have a different folder icon for your folder. Wherever you keep this folder, this icon will stay the same. So I hope guys this video was helpful to you and you learned how to change an icon for a folder. If it was, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye bye, have a good day.